Here's 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. We were just talking about getting into the holiday spirit. It did not really feel like the holiday spirit. It was really, really warm this morning, but I know that's not going to last.
Exactly. Temperatures already beginning to drop far west and will continue to drop as we head through the morning hours. So we're starting warm. We'll end in the 30s with wind chills in the 20s this morning into the afternoon, and a little bit more seasonal weather overall. So 42 is an average high. We'll be close to that after today on most days. So right now, let's just focus on our winds gusting. So southwest winds becoming more westerly once the front comes through. 44-mile-per-hour wind gust in Jackson, 43 in Lansing. Those are a couple places we've seen those higher wind gusts, but still looking at surpassing 30 in Howell, 32 in fact, also in Detroit, 33-mile-per-hour wind gust in Windsor. So when we focus on those gusty winds, we're saying between now and about 9 and 10 o'clock this morning, some of the strongest winds to occur. It's still going to be windy after that, but these are when we're going to see some of the strongest peak wind gusts between now and about 9 or 10 o'clock this morning. Temperatures are still holding in the upper 40s to low 50s, warmest to the east, but still 49 in Lansing, 47 in Jackson, 50 in Ann Arbor. So temperatures have not dropped. The cold front has not moved through, but it is pushing some rain out ahead of it. So we're seeing widespread rain stretching from Lansing all the way into Oakland County, now stretching east toward Port Huron and Port Sanilac into the downtown area. So widespread rain, that's not going to last too long either. Once those winds back down by 9 or 10, the rain should be wrapping up. But those temperatures have dropped to 44 in Jackson, just seeing the leading edge of the cold front, 34 right now in Grand Rapids and Traverse City. So certainly a difference with that air mass once the front does move through. Temperatures will stay in the 30s this afternoon, and then when you combine it with the winds, it'll feel much like the mid-20s when you're out and about, maybe doing some shopping, running some errands. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. The rain comes through. This is about 8 o'clock in the morning, seeing, of course, some of the rain continuing and then wrapping up by 10 a.m. Temperatures have fallen into the 30s. We stay in the 30s. I think we may even drop a couple more degrees as we head through the afternoon, eventually into the 20s overnight for a cold start to our Sunday. Sunday does look dry. Our temperatures will stay in the 30s for highs, near 40 on Monday. There is a slight chance we could pick up a rain snow mix on Monday afternoon or Monday night, but keeping it only at a 20% right now. Temperatures in the low 40s, though, not bad for Tuesday and Wednesday.